you, teacher. Hi, good afternoon to the honorable judges, teachers, and all my friends. Today, I would like to tell you a story about a greedy little monkey. Once upon a time, there was a little monkey who lived in a jungle. This little monkey was very naughty. He liked to disturb the other animals. One day, the monkey found the garden full of fruits. The garden belonged to his best friend Tortoise, and he came up with a plan and said, "Help, help, I'm very hungry. I don't eat for 4 days. Please help me." And the tortoise said, "Poor monkey, you must very hungry. You can eat all the fruit in the garden. Just pick whatever you want, monkey." The monkey was so happy. He jumped up and down. While looking at fruit, a monkey saw a very red fruit. "What is that? It looks very delicious. I want that one." And the tortoise said, "No, monkey, it is not a fruit. It is a chili." The monkey was so greedy and stubborn. He don't want to listen to what tortoise had said. I don't care, I want that one. It looks very delicious." The monkey grabbed all the chili and put it in his mouth. Suddenly, the monkey face turned into a rat and said, "What is this? It's so hot. I need water. And the tortoise said to the monkey, "That is what happens when you greedy and stubborn." The monkey jumping around to looking for water, but there's no water around. The monkey ran and jumped into the nearest river. The tortoise laughed at the monkey and said, "That is what happens when you greedy and stubborn." The monkey was so regret and apologized for being so greedy and stubborn and don't want to listen to what tortoise had said. Hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you.